Welcome back to Bosco Campus Vision. This is Nancy, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Applications, Don Bosco College, Kottayam. This is the fifth lecture of digital marketing. First of all, we have to discuss about evolution of digital marketing. The term digital marketing was first used in 1990s. Then in 1993, the first clickable banner went live, after which Hotwire purchased a few banner ads for their advertising. This marked the beginning of the transition to the digital era of marketing. Because of this gradual shift, the year 1994 saw new technologies enter the digital marketplace. The very same year, Yahoo was launched. Evolution of digital marketing was happened in 1990. In 1993, the first clickable banner went live. In 1994, the Yahoo was launched new technologies in digital marketing. In 1996, saw the launch of a couple of more search engines and tools like Hotbot, LookSmart and Alexa. 1998 saw the birth of Google. Microsoft launched the MSN search engine and Yahoo brought to the market Yahoo Web Search. Soon, social networking sites began to emerge. MySpace was the first social networking site to arrive, soon followed by Facebook. Alexa, LookSmart and Hotbot search engine tools launched in 1996. In 1998, the Google was launched. Then Microsoft launched the MSN search engine and Yahoo brought to the market Yahoo Web Search. Immediately, social networking sites emerged. The first social networking site is MySpace, and then Facebook was launched. Then Facebook is very popular. At the same year, the first cookie was designed to record user habits. 2 years later, the internet bubble burst and all the smaller search engines were wiped out. This creates more space and opportunities for the giants in the business. Then, the professional social media network LinkedIn was launched in 2002. The year 2003 was witnessed the release of WordPress and the launch of MySpace. In 2004, Gmail was launched. The same year, Facebook has gone live and Google went public. Cookie was designed in the same year. In 2000, all the smaller search engines were wiped out. In that space, 2002, more professional social network was launched, like LinkedIn. In 2003, WordPress was launched, and in 2004, Gmail was launched. The same year, Facebook has gone live and Google went public. The next, YouTube was launched in the year 2005. The year 2006 was another remarkable year because search engine traffic was reported. This year, Microsoft launched an MS Live search and simultaneously Twitter was also launched. At the same time, Amazon e-commerce sales have crossed near about 10 billion. In 2005, YouTube was launched, and in 2006, the remarkable year of digital marketing. At the same time, Twitter was launched and Amazon was started e-commerce sales in new platform and earned about $10 billion through e-commerce marketing. That's why we called a remarkable year in digital marketing and e-commerce industry. In 2007, Tumblr was launched. Moreover, web streaming service Hulu was also founded in this year. Mobile giant Apple launched its iPhone in the same year. In the year 2008, Spotify was launched and Groupon went live. In 2009, Google launched Instant for real-time search engine results. Google introduced products like AdWords. In 2007, Tumblr was launched and Apple iPhone was launched. In 2008, Spotify was launched and in 2009, Google starts AdWords. In 2010, WhatsApp was launched along with Google Buzz. In 2011, Google Plus and Google Panda were launched. 2012 in the year of social media. The companies have increased their social media budget up to 64% and Google Knowledge Graph has also launched. MySpace and Facebook are the popular social media sites among the people. In 2010, WhatsApp. In 2011, Google Plus and Google Panda was launched. In 2012 is the year of social media. The popular social media sites are MySpace and Facebook. In 2013, Yahoo acquired Tumblr. In 2014, the number of mobile and smartphone users have surpassed the number of PC users. Facebook Messenger application along with tailored ads and on LinkedIn and iWatch was launched. During this year, Facebook acquired WhatsApp. In 2015, Snapchat was launched its Discover feature. In this year, several new technologies like analytics, wearable tech, and content marketing have also invented. Facebook has also launched its instant articles in this year. In 2013, Yahoo acquired Tumblr, and in 2014, Facebook acquired WhatsApp. In 2015, Facebook was also launched its instant articles in this year. Then popular social networking sites in 2017 are Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Reddit, etc. Facebook has a user base of 2.01 billion as per the record of June 30, 2017. That means in 2017 onwards, social networking sites are more popular in digital marketing and still alive. This is all about evolution of digital marketing. After learning this section, everyone should answer this question and send to me. The question is, explain the evolution of digital marketing.